Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah are at LK Advani's residence. Earlier, the Prime Minister also extended his wishes to LK Advani on his birthday. Remember, LK Advani is one of the co-founders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he began his political career as a volunteer of the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh of the RSS, and he was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, which is India's second highest civilian honor. The Prime Minister earlier through Twitter extended his greetings to Advani. Let's go across to Megha, our senior editor, joining us in the broadcast with more details. Megha, we were speaking to Amit earlier. He was telling us every year, in fact, the Prime Minister visits LK Advani's residence on his birthday, and this time around as well, he's kept the tradition going.
Absolutely, Swati. Prime Minister ensures that every year, on the birthday of Mr. LK Advani, he's there at his house to greet him in person, extend his birthday wishes to him, seek his blessings, and obviously talks about it every year on his birthday. I think the first message that comes in from any leader in the political fraternity is from the Prime Minister. And today morning also he tweeted saying birthday greetings to respected Advani ji, praying for his long and healthy life. The nation remains indebted to him for his numerous efforts towards empowering people and enhancing our cultural pride. He is also widely respected for his scholarly pursuits and rich intellect. Just yesterday, Swati, Mr. Advani and Mr. Murli Manohar Joshi, leaders in the Margdarshan Mandal of the BJP, they joined the National Executive of the Bharatiya Janata Party yesterday, which was presided over by the Prime Minister. They joined it virtually. In fact, that was the first information that was shared with the media, that both of them will be part of the National Executive, even though virtually because of old age, perhaps, and also the COVID situation. It was preferred that they would join from home.
Right.
Prime Minister, obviously, every year, rich words spoken about Mr. Advani, and obviously the contribution he has had towards building the nation and building the party. The two people, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the former Prime Minister, and the former Deputy Prime Minister, Mr. LK Advani, will never be forgotten. They are the people, the pillars on whose shoulders, this party actually came up.
All right, Megha, thank you for getting us the details. With that, we're taking a very quick break on the broadcast. Well, these are live visuals coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at BJP's veteran leader LK Advani's residence to extend his birthday greetings to the veteran leader who is one of the co-founders of the BJP. Like our senior editors were telling us, Prime Minister Narendra Modi makes it a point that every year he visits LK Advani on his birthday. These are visuals coming in from LK Advani's residence. You can also see the Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh as well in the frame. Let's go across to Megha. Senior editor joins us with more details. Visuals coming in of the residence of LK Advani, Prime Minister there along with the Home Minister, the Defence Minister and the Vice President as well.
Yes, Swati, it seems like, this time around all the top leaders, I mean, the names that you are taking, the top ministers of Prime Minister's cabinet and Mr. Nadda, the party president, each one of them ensuring that they are there, present in person to wish Mr. Advani at his residence. So I think quite an elaborate affair, I would say, because earlier it would be the Prime Minister who would go in visit him, and then there would be other leaders, but they're at their own time, mostly not all together. So yes, I think it's quite an affair, ensuring that they try to make his day really special. You can see his daughter by his side, Mr. Advani's daughter by his side, when the Prime Minister goes in with a bouquet of roses, red roses for Mr. LK Advani, and then holds his hand, brings him out very, very slowly, helping him walk all the way to the lawn of his Delhi residence here. And yes, the Vice President, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, the Home Minister Amit Shah, Mr. B.L. Santosh from the RSS, he's there, Mr. J.P. Nadda, each one of them, Mr. Rajnath Singh, the people who worked very closely with Mr. LK Advani. I think that's how they have selected those who would be at his residence. It's not about the seniority in the cabinet. It's about all of those who have shared the past, their time in their career in the political career with Mr. L.K. Advani. For example, Mr. Rajnath Singh, for example, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. These are people who've worked under Mr. Advani, who've been trained under Mr. Advani, and of course Amit Shah ji also there, who's had a long association, the person who took over from Mr. Advani as far as his constituency in Gandhinagar is concerned, and also worked for a long time under him since Mr. Advani had been fighting elections from Gandhinagar in Gujarat. So I think, quite an affair there. And I think his cutting, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu is helping Mr. Advani cut the birthday cake. So a mini celebration of sorts being organized by none less than the Prime Minister at the residence of Mr. L.K. Advani. He turns 94 today. But still active in the sense that he's always there, part of the party functions, party programs. Never would you have, a big event being organized as far as party is concerned without Mr. L.K. Advani or Murli Manohar Joshi. Even though they're part of the Margdarshak Mandal and they are now old, still, the party ensures that they are always there as part of whatever is being organized. Like I said just yesterday, the National Executive, and the first thing that happened, once the Prime Minister entered, before the inaugural speech of Mr. J.P. Nadda was the connection that went live with Mr. Advani and Mr. Murli Manohar Joshi. Those visuals were shared with the media that they are part of the National Executive and they will be joining virtually. So they were pretty much, a participant in the meetings and the strategy meetings yesterday. So I think today the Prime Minister standing into along with Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, daughter of Mr. Advani there. You can see also, of course, Mr. Amit Shah, Mr. Rajnath Singh, all of them, and Mr. B.L. Santosh there at Mr. Advani's residence to ensure that, there's the kind of respect he feels in the party, the kind of respect otherwise also if you go beyond the Bharatiya Janata Party in the political circles and the contribution he's had in various capacities, especially as the Deputy Prime Minister of this country. Like Prime Minister tweeted today in the morning, Mr. Narendra Modi, when he tweeted in the morning that he's widely respected for bringing an enhancement in our cultural heritage, and of course the contribution he's had in enhancing the quality of life of the people of this citizens of this country. He is obviously he's a person, a political figure, forever respected, admired, and loved by lakhs of people across the country. And I think just taking that sentiment forward, you have the Prime Minister today, along with the top leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party. Especially, I would not use the word contemporaries because they were all junior to Mr. Advani. They've all trained and worked under Mr. Advani. There was a time when, at the helm of the affair of the Bharatiya Janata Party was Mr. Advani, along with the former Prime Minister, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and all of these leaders have gradually risen from ranks under them. So, of course, it's an association that runs, it's a long one and a deep one that they have with him. So ensuring, on his 94th birthday, that they are all there present in person to make him feel special, to make his day.
Absolutely. In fact, what we just witnessed also tells you a lot about the kind of equation or the chemistry that the Prime Minister has with L.K. Advani, the way he held his hand when they walked out of the house towards the lawn.
Yes, the association is, it's an extremely, I would say the word would be of admiration. The Prime Minister for Mr. L.K. Advani and Mr. Advani for the Prime Minister currently. Going beyond the sentiment of admiration, I would say that Mr. Advani has helped him tremendously in his political career, tremendously. There was a time when he was facing a crisis as far as political future was concerned, and we all remember how Mr. Advani came to his rescue. There was a time that within the Bharatiya Janata Party, there were lots of people who did not want him to continue in Gujarat, and it was Mr. Advani's insistence it was him putting his foot down because he was here in the center. He was pretty much him and Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee center of power in the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they ensured that, when it comes to the then Chief Minister Narendra Modi, that, no harm was brought to him politically. And, of course, things were smoothed out for him. So I think there is a lot of gratitude that our current Prime Minister has for Mr. L.K. Advani for not one but several different reasons. And I think also, when it comes to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the very fact that for a very, very long time, he wasn't a part of the Bharatiya Janata Party, he was a part of the Sangathan. He was part of the Sangathan, and then later this transition to the Bharatiya Janata Party, and quickly, we all know how Prime Minister Narendra Modi is one of those unique. He's had a unique political career in the sense that the first position that he held in the government was of the position of the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He's never fought any elections before that. No elections for a councillor, no election for the Legislative Assembly, no other elections. Simply straight the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and ever since, I mean, it's a political career that took off its flying colors and still there. So I think when it comes to expressing gratitude, thankfulness, Mr. Advani would be one of those people, apart from, of course, our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee is there no more, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi would have a lot to say thank you for. And I think these are gestures that reflects that. Going to his residence in the morning, and not only him alone, taking all the senior party colleagues, including the Vice President of the country, just to ensure that they are all there for this mini birthday celebration, a quite impromptu one that has been organized at his residence, just to make him feel very, very special on his birthday, and to say that each one of them stands with him even today. Even today, in the twilight years of his life, the party top brass is right here with him for everything that he needs. And also to extend the tremendous love, gratitude, and reverence that the party top leadership has towards him.
All right, Megha, thank you very much for getting us that insight, those details. These are pictures from L.K. Advani's residence. Prime Minister went to wish L.K. Advani on his 94th birthday.